today we will continue our reading. Okay, so this is your content book. Okay, open page number 33 and your block is 22. Yes students, which block we are reading now? We are reading our block shadow. Okay, so today we will start our reading from line number 13. Okay, but before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class, we studied about we get light from different sources. Means we need light to see anything in the room. Suppose there is a darkness in the room. Is it possible that you will see anything in the room? No, because there is a darkness everywhere. And when I am starting a light or I am using a torch, what? Yes, I will see the things in the room. It means we all need light. Without light, nothing is possible. Okay? Students, then we studied about type of sources. Two sources are there for light. Number one is natural. Number two is man-made. Okay. So natural sources are like sun. Sun is a natural source of light. Okay. So other than sun, stars are also natural source of light. And the other sources are fire, glowing electric bulb, burning candle. Okay students, means we need light to see everything in the room. Now come to our reading. Formation of a shadow. Okay beta, formation of a shadow. What is a shadow? Shadow is a, yes, parchai. Okay, so a shadow is a dark area that is formed on a wall or on the floor or when something block light. Students, yes, focus in this point that shadow is formed on wall or floor or something that block light. Means if we want to make shadow of anything, we need a base. Like my hand shadow is forming in on book. Yes, forming or not? Yes. So shadow of my hand and pencil is forming on the book. Shadow is always forming on a base. Okay, हवा में नहीं बनती shadow. Shadow हमेशा base पे बनती है, किसी चीज पे बनती है. And how is shadow formed? When a source of light is focusing on anything. Do one activity at your home. Take a torch and keep लाइट ऑन अ बॉटल. ओके, आप लाइट बनाएंगे, बॉटल जो है उस पर टॉर्च की लाइट फोकस करेंगे एंड देन पुट अ बुक बिटवीन द टॉर्च लाइट एंड द बॉटल. व्हाट विल हैपन? द शैडो ऑफ बुक इज फॉर्म्ड. इट मीन्स व्हेन देयर इज अ थिंग बिटवीन सोर्स ऑफ लाइट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट देन अ शैडो फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? यस. To form a shadow, we need a source of light. Means what? Source is giving light, like torch, an object that block the light, a surface where we can see the shadow. Anything living or non-living thing can block light and cast the shadow. Shadow is formed by a thing which is blocking the light of light source and object area, then shadow form. Okay, then shadow has a similar shape as the object. जो शेप होगी उसकी जो शेडो होगी वो सेम बनेगी. लाइक आई एम शोइंग अ पेंसिल एंड द शेडो इज फॉर्मिंग लाइक अ पेंसिल, नॉट लाइक अ बॉल. शेडो इज ऑलवेज सिमिलर टू द शेप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट and it is always formed on the opposite side of the object. Okay, so shadow is forming on the opposite side. Only those things that do not allow light to pass through them can form shadow. बेटा transparent things की shadow कभी नहीं बनती. Like if I am using a plastic bag or a mirror, no shadow form. Shadow is only formed for a hard thing that can block the surface between light source and the object. Like I am using a book. Book can block the light. Shadow of book will form. Okay. So example like book, tab, टेबल, प्लांट, थिंग्स सच एज ग्लास, जो लाइट अलाउ करती है पास होना, उनकी शेडो नहीं बनती. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so the thing which allow light to pass through them like a polythene bag or a plastic, no shadow formed, and the thing which do not allow to pass a light, then a shadow form. Okay, like my hand and pencil. Okay students, do the activity of shadow at your home, and we will meet in the next class. Bye bye, take care.